All right, prime time. Here's the video to basically find the winner of the Saquon Barkley 16 by 20. So whoever's going to get the Giants when we match the teams up is going to be our winner. So we'll check the time July 3rd at 9:32 p.m. We're going to go over to the break. Type live. We have July 3rd at 9:32 p.m. There's the list of our 32 NFL teams. We're just going to randomize this list, and then we'll match it back to our entry list. Of course, we are looking for whoever ends up with the New York Giants. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 8 times. That'll work. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. 8. So wherever the Giants ended up, I'll match the list up and we'll post it. I'm not going to announce the winner. You guys can look and see according to the teams who won. So there is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, July 3rd, 9:32 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.